Hi everyone, this is Aptitude Guru Tamil. So this is an introduction video for Aptitude Guru Tamil, and this is supposed to be the first video for Aptitude Guru Tamil, but I've already uploaded Profit and Loss series for my university students. I'm currently working in Chennai. So hereafter I'll dedicate all the videos for our channel, mostly how to crack this aptitude examination. The majorly you have to know the difference between what is aptitude and mathematics, where mathematics is a procedural approach to get the answer, where aptitude is just an IQ examination. You have shortcuts, so you're based on IQ examination in the sense it's like it will test your intelligence quotient, where do you stand out of 10 bands, you stand in 5 bands or 6 bands or 7 bands, or so some companies expect 7, some companies expect 8. It differs, but you have to be good in aptitude point of view. The second thing is programming, and third thing is communication skills. So this video is, the target audience for this video is third year students, present third year students and final year students. Final year in the sense 2020 passed out students. Those who have got job, all the best. Those who have not placed till now, please do prepare aptitude really well. You have a very crucial time. Your exams have been postponed. Serious time is there for you. So what you have to do is prepare aptitude really well. Use this quarantine time. Prepare programming skills. Get placed in any one of the company when the recruitment starts. Off-campus recruitment starts. Okay. Take it as a motivational thing so that you can get placed easily. Third thing, aptitude is used for higher studies as well. I know most of the people are scared going to abroad countries due to this corona pandemic situation. So please don't be afraid. This too shall pass. You plan for your higher studies at least after 2 years or after a year. And in this year, many universities in US have given the waive off for application fee. For example, you apply for 10 universities, which would have costed you $2,000 or at least $1,000 if one college is charging $100 per application fees. Now, no application fees is being charged by most of the universities in US, Canada, and all the top countries. You can apply for it. You can apply for it if your parents are agreeing. So please don't apply, as I am telling you, people. It's your own decision to choose whichever college you want in abroad. Next thing is, for higher studies, you need huge capital, which costs from 40 lakhs to 70 or 80 lakhs based on the country and city and based on the college and the tuition fees. So please do ask your parents, please get their confirmation and start your higher studies plan. Please don't start your own plans, then don't get disappointments at the end of the okay. So what you have to do is talk to your parents. Once they are agreeing, start preparing for an exam called GRE. GRE. The next exam is an communication exam, IELTS. So in IELTS, you have to get minimum 6.5 bands above in listening, speaking, reading and writing. So don't keep it as 6.5, have it as 7.5. So individually 7.5 in listening, speaking, reading and writing. In 340 out of GRE, 170 is aptitude, that is mathematics, and 170 is verbal. So try to get 320 above or 330 above. If your target is 320 or 330, you will settle down somewhere between 310 or 350. So always have your targets or goals are high. So this is the plans for your higher studies. Next, so why did you start a YouTube channel now? Because many of my students know I've been doing this offline tuitions, so all those things for this 4 years or 5 years, I would say. So in this 4 or 5 years, I could connect with 400 to 500 students, and lot of students could not come to my place. I could not deliver the methods. I could not deliver the content for them. So because of the quarantine time, that's why I've started this YouTube channel, at least to deliver whatever I know, at least a bit, to all my students, so that it will be useful for their placement time. Next one, stop on it. Okay. So we'll start with campus recruitment training. So we call it as CRT, campus recruitment training. So parents, those who are listening to this video, please, those who are watching this video, please do watch carefully, and students, please do watch it carefully. In CRT training, it starts from your third year, that is your 6th semester. It starts most of the colleges in 6 years. I've been working with all the colleges. It starts in 6th sem. Some colleges, they do start in 2nd year itself, but the the most intensive program starts from your 6th sem. 6th and 7th sem is for your placement. Your 7th sem will be completely of placement. In 7th sem, companies will visit your colleges from July to September. So all the top companies. So mostly you will get placed between July to September. In some colleges they visit in October or November, December. Smaller colleges, top colleges. In all the top colleges, your companies will visit from July to September. Next thing, this is the first thing. Companies have to come to my college so that I get recruited. Now, so what if I don't get companies in my college, sir? Last year, TCS Ninja have recruited 20,000 employees only using one examination. So even this year we can expect this examination, TCS Ninja or Wipro National Hunt, to be conducted, so that even if the company is not coming to my college, I can register the pool drive, I can go and participate, I can get placed. Have you understood the process? Next, this is the second thing. Companies have to come to my college. What I should be ready with? First thing is your aptitude. Second thing, your reasoning, then verbal. Third one, programming. Fourth one is your communication skills. So aptitude, reasoning, verbal is the first thing. Second thing is your programming. Third is your communicational skills. If you are ready with this thing, you are ready for placement. The most important thing is practice. Even if you have completed your aptitude and programming, you have to practice really well. Okay. Next thing. So why I have started this channel is so to tutor my students online. So till now I've been regularly tutoring so many students, that is 500 students yearly. Every year they come to me in this period, July to September, to train from me to get placed in any one of the company. This year, due to this quarantine, I have to plan accordingly. What is the procedure? So I have a newborn baby, so all these things are there. So that's why I have to plan accordingly. I have to choose this online mode. So I don't know how far this is gonna work. This is the first time I'm trying all these things. Next thing is in online, what is the difficulty is I cannot give my 100%. Profit and loss concept has to be taught continuously by 3 hours. Time and work has to be continuously taught for 4 hours. All these things have to be learned by myself. How to teach it in online, I have to experiment myself. I have to deliver the content. You have to understand. You have to ask me questions, and so many things are there. So please make sure you are volunteering yourself and ask me the doubts. If you ask doubts, I am ready to answer at any point of time. You post me a comment, you post me a personal message. Most of my people have my number. If not, I will give you a Telegram link. Those who want to join us new, post your questions, I will send you the solution. All these things I have been doing in the companies I have worked for, you know already. Second thing, so what are the things which are essential for placement? We'll see. Okay, so we'll see what are the essential things for learning aptitude. First, we'll find what is the difference between mathematics and aptitude. So mathematics is a procedural approach, you people know it already, where aptitude has shortcuts, various shortcuts to get the answer faster, less than 10 seconds, less than 5 seconds, even in 1 second you can get your answer. So first we'll learn combinations, which where you will find at least it takes 30 seconds to find a value. So what is the basic formula for combination is, we'll use a formula as NCR. So what is NCR in the sense? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula for NCR. Then how do I find a value of 7C4? We'll take a basic value. How to find the value of 7C4? 7C4 is there. So 7 is your n, 4 is your r value. That is 7 factorial divided by n minus r, that is 7 minus 4 is 3 factorial into what is r value? 4 factorial. I can write it as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Am I right? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 can be written as 4 factorial. 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial is written as 3 into 2 into 1. So what is 3 into 2 is 6. What is 4 factorial and 4 factorial gets cancelled. What is 7 5s are 35. So did I take some 30 seconds or at least 40 seconds to find the answer? 30 to 45 seconds, 40 seconds. Even if you solve faster, you will get answer within 25 seconds. That's the basic. I'll teach you a technique how to find any combinatory value within 1 second. Have you understood the process? Now we'll keep this value here, 7C4. What is 7C4 value? 35. So there is a weapon for you to clear this aptitude exam really fast. That's called your rough sheet. Whoever writes your rough sheets properly before the starting of the examination, rough sheets will be given before 15 or 10 minutes before. Whoever writes the rough sheet, whatever I say for all the 12 topics, I'll tell you the shortcuts, what thought to be written in the rough sheet. If you write those things, easier, no calculation, just see the rough sheet and write down the value. That's it. The first and foremost thing we'll write in a rough sheet is called a Pascal triangle for 12 rows. So if you practice it, you can write it less than 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes for writing 12 rows. If you practice it, if you write 10 or 20 times, you don't even know this. You don't even have to write the Pascal triangle. You can remember any value you want. 10C5, 252, 10C4, 210, 10C6, 210. You can find any value by yourself. Example, 9C4, 126. Any value I can say because I have written in some 600 or 700 times the same Pascal triangle. Even if you write for 10 or 20 times, you can easily remember this. How do I write a Pascal triangle? Just based on addition. Start with 1, 1. Start with 1, 1. Next one. 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. Write it in the middle. Next one. Enter your 1. Start with 1, end with 1. 1, 1. Again start with 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. End with 1. Again start with 1, 1. What is 1 plus 2? 3. 2 plus 1, 3. End with 1. Again start with 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Can I write it faster? Practice it at least 10 or 15 times before you write any company specific question or before you go to any company. You have to practice all these things. It should be in your fingertips. How to write the fifth row? 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Next 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Next row 1, 7, 21, 35, 35. Next one 21, 7, 1. So I don't have space, that's why I have written only 7 rows. You have to write mandatory 12 rows for the basic level of companies. If you're going for CAT, ZAT, GMAT, write 20 rows. Okay, or any advanced examination, write 20 rows of Pascal triangle within 1.5 or 2 minutes. Maximum for 20 rows you can take 3 minutes of time. Now to find 7C4, I have to find the number called 7. Where do I find the number called 7? In the 7th row. This is called 7th row. So this is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, 7th row. The first number is called 7C0. 7C0. What is the second number? 7C1. What is 7C0? NC0 is 1. What is 7C1? 7. What is 7C2? 21. This is 7C3. This is 7C4. 7C5. 7C6. 7C7. Some people have this doubt. Why I can't have 7C8, sir? Example, you have 8 menus which are given. Example, 8 different foods, 7 different foods have been given for you people. Can you eat 8 different foods? You can select one among 7 foods. So maximum limit is 7. You can eat either 0 food. If you don't have money, you just go to the restaurant. If you don't find any money, you don't eat anything and come back. If you have money for one dish, you pay and eat. If you have 2, you can pay these many ways, 21 ways. So maximum is you can eat all the 7 dishes. You cannot eat 8 dishes because only 7 dishes are available in the hotel or restaurant. Okay. Now, have you understood the process? If I write 12 rows, 1 second, I can easily find the value. How to find 6C3? Always first number is 6C0. 0, 1, 2, 3. 5C3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 4C1. 0, 1, 4C1. Have you understood the process? Anyone can find the value. Always the first number is 0. This is 6 in the sense 6C0, 6C1, 6C2, 6C3, 6C4, 6C5, 6C6. If combinatory values are known, solving the sums are very, very, very easier things. Have you understood the process? Okay. Puzzle then for today. So which will be a simple puzzle for you. From tomorrow, I'll teach you the concepts and combinations and permutations with difficult questions as well as company specific questions. We'll see the quarantine question for today. Okay. Here is the quarantine puzzle for today. So this puzzle will be based on numbers and the months. So January is coded as 71313, Feb is coded as 82382, March is coded as 53113, April is coded as 54203, May is coded as 35113, June is coded as 47113. So what is the code for September? Okay, so I'll give you a hint for you people. So out of all these letters, okay, out of all these letters, the most important thing is you find number of vowels. Am I right? E, U, A, all these things will be used in any one of this code. So vowels will be, number of vowels will be placed as any one of the digit. Okay, this is the hint given to you people. Please don't Google the question. Please try to find the answer by yourself. Thank you everyone.